Hey, John and Sue, it's Kevin and Chris. We're supposed to have rain here today, so I told you we'd take it out for a drive. I know we have a video online, but we just wanted to take it out for a drive just in case it rains, so you'd have it. We're just men of our word, so. Oh, I get to work the camera.
You get to hold the camera. Don't press any buttons.
I know. I'm a son of a photographer. This is the fun part of our job. Slow down through here. No speed bump. Everywhere you go in this truck, you can't park it far away. People are going to crowd around you. All right, no burnouts. Dash, all the gauges are working. You want to do the gauges?
There you go. You can see everything's working. Temperature is getting up, which is good. Amperage is charging. You got good oil pressure up here, and your gas gauge is right at the top right there. Your speedo going about 25.
Oh, it's heating up. How pretty that hood is going down the road. And the dash. Just a very clean truck. Oh, we'll do the exterior later. Okay. Inside, yeah. I just want to make sure we got them up for a drive.